folks. Very good afternoon, folks. Okay, let's see what is coming week. We are expecting the gold moment. This is the future chart. We already spoke that. What is the difference between gold spot and future? So future is the original chart. Spot is just showing the market price only. So we take only gold future for the next week consideration. First of all, we marked the PDRIs. For example, like this went to how many days? This is 18 days. Okay, you take this area like sorry, it's a 32 days. Yeah, sorry, 23 bars means 23 days of analysis we have. So first of all, we go for a longer time frame. Take a monthly chart. We have this FUG, but I don't think so. It will come down this far, but maybe it would be market. No problem at all. Because it's more, it is always unpredictable. And come to weekly time frame, we have it is a close 912, 913. Okay, we have volume balance. See this is the weekly PDRI. We are running the weekly PDRI, the weekly FEG, week FEG. Okay, we mentioned. See this was a candle will close 3912.1. It is open 3913.5. So we have it should be covered by FEG. So don't take this high to mark the FEG. If you have volume imbalance, you should cover the volume imbalance itself. See this? This is active PDRI. Okay, we anticipate the price go higher because many times the FEG is rejecting and itself the many times is rejection itself it's a weak FEG. Okay, the link is shared. So the weekly Faraday gap will be marked from here to here because whether depending on a time frame which PDRAs the price will travel in. You have to note it out right now. So this is the right now the range the price is moment is here only. So this is the nearest PDRA and then next we have go to the day time frame. It's enough. Then we need to see this area because this is a longer time frame PDRM. Right now we got a nearest one second guys. We got a nearest PDRA in weekly time frame. So we consider in day time frame. This is the both side we have imbalance. It is called a suspension block in ICT PDRAs. So it is called a suspension block. So we need to mark this suspension block because it's a day time frame. Change the color like to not it is go for a blue. Okay, it is okay. Day suspension block. Okay, because the both side we have imbalance. So we call it as suspension block. So price will the price will be retraced this near only. This I'm traveling the suspension block right now. So this particular PDRI, the particular suspension block is right now it's very active. So we go for deeper in the next PDRI. So once the price is derived from longer time frame, then come into the shorter time frame. If you have in larger time frame PDRI, you have weekly time frame, the price will go to the next discount or any premium area. For example, discount area in the weekly time frame, the FEG is respecting means we go to the day time frame premium PDRI. That means premium Faroliga, whatever the PDRI is, it's nearest the weekly Faroliga will targeted this the next PDRI. Okay, right now we are resting this FEG day FEG. So the price is traveling inside the FEG. So it's very strong, the active price only. So we go for the 4 hours next. This is the weekly FEG. This is the day. So day FEG. Okay. Then we go for a 4 hours because it's a 4 hours the good good what is called it's a good amount of time it will take because it's a all institutional perspective. So right now we have this FEG. See this. See the rejection. So we have 4 hour FEG we have. So this is, as I told, it's a weekly FEG, this one, and this is the daily FEG, day time frame, and this one is 4 hour FEG. That is what the price is rejecting from here. And right now we have a order block here. So this is also one of the FEG, I mean, of PDRA. So this is a proper order block, 4 hour order block. Am I right? It's a 4 hour order block. So we anticipate the price. See this, see rejection. So once it's crossing this midpoint, this is a red line. It's a day FEG's midpoint. So once it's crossing this midpoint, the price will be rejected from the midpoint. See this? I'll show you in shorter time frame. See this area. That is what the price is rejected because this PDRI is still valid. This is a very active PDRI. So you have to find the difference between which PDRI is very active from the beginning to the end. So we have 4 hour FEG and a day FEG. The day FEG is rejecting from the red line, it's a midpoint. So what is we are expecting anticipate the next PDRI means, see the price is rejecting from this area. See this is 4 hour FEG. I'll show you the strength of the FEG. See this, not even touch the upper quadrant. That much of rejection is showing. The market showing the interest to willing to go higher. This is a heaviness from the buying side. See, because the buyer cannot go the price inside the paralegger, even it is a midpoint. So that much of buying pressure is available. So this is the interest of the buyer who want to go higher only because this FEG is not vegetated fully. So it is showing the strength of the institutional positioning. So see, that is what we have the this order block. So strongest order block. And also this midpoint is also rejecting. So we anticipate the price in next week go higher. Why? Because here liquidity is taken. See, I'll mark it. Just wait. See, this is equal lows. The liquidity is already taken. Right now, they targeting the next draw on liquidity. Right. So if the market is going higher, it is targeting definitely it will go up here only, and also here. And we have I'll go to the another time frame 1 hour. See this. This is the 4 hour FEG. This is the day FEG, and I'll show you something. 51.1, 51.2. Okay, this is 1 hour FEG. See the rejection. See, not even mitigate. What is called? See this. This is the FEG starting, and this is the FEG area, the 1 hour FEG. See the price is not mitigate, even not even touch the midpoint in upper quadrant. What does it mean? It means the buyer is still active. The buyer is still active. The it shows the heaviness of the buying pressure. So whoever willing to purchase the gold, so this is the right place to buy because we are entering this area. It's a good amount of buying pressure is here only. See, the market will come down. This is the equal lows. It will take it a stop punch, and inside this parallel, the price will come down. Then it will go higher as per anticipation. See this tapping the 4 hour CPG, and I'll tell you the another important things. See this. This is the tape reading concept. This is the shadow PDRA. Like I'll show you. Sorry, the color is already there only. Maybe brown. Okay, it's in brown. Maybe some differentiation. See, this is the most sensitive price in the 4 hour OB, and then we are marking this is the inverse parallel gap. See, once the cell side parallel gap is violated, it will become the inversion FEG. It will become the buy side FEG. So my anticipation is the price will come down this shadow PDRA. Shadow means overlapping two PDRAs. See, this is the 1 hour FEG. This is also 1 hour FEG, but the overlapping two FEGs is called shadow PDRA. Shadow FEG, right? So price will migrate come to lower, taking this equal low and taking this midpoint, and also this 4 hour OB, then inside the shadow FEG, shadow PDRA, then will go higher. It may be quite New York or London session. London or New York, I'll expect it because the session will come down only. If maybe the market will open upside means definitely will come down because there is a no strength it's going because there is a no PDRA it's available. This is the only PDRA. If the price want to go higher, definitely will come down here. Taking this retracement, then will be for go higher only because there is a no possibility in any other sources because this is the only nearest PDRA. It's active PDRA. This is the only option for the gold. And if maybe the gold is coming down this and this taking this low, it may be go lower to this low. Then only you take all the sell side liquidities, all the social liquidities, then will go higher. But my price anticipation, it will be come down this shadow PD array and taking this 4 hour OB and then 1 hour FUG and the overlapping 1 hour FUGs, it will be go higher. This is my anticipation at all. This is my XAUSD next week analysis. So this is my price anticipation for the next week for the gold. So the gold have good amount of entry. I think it's next week. So be prepared. I'll I'll tell you in day by day in New York session. We'll take entry with along with the online. So guys, be ready. Thank you all. Thank you all. Support me and thank you once again.